guys, Asani Beauty. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. In this video, I will be doing a review of the Farmacy Hydrating Coconut Gel Mask. I am a monthly Ipsy subscriber, and in my Glam bag, I received this gel sheet mask. So if you're interested in seeing my review and also my thoughts on the mask, keep watching. Alright, so here are my thoughts on the mask. I thought it was, in fact, really hydrating. I like the smell of it. It says it has hyaluronic acid on there. It was easy to apply. It was very soupy. So here's some of like the product that is actually on the mask, and it feels really good. It's a coconut material. I'm gonna rub it on my hands just because it just feels so great. Look at how it's making my hands look. So this is the coconut with hyaluronic acid serum that is on the mask. Oh, that makes my hands look nice. I like that, girl. We might have to do a sheet mask for our hands, but I really do like how hydrated and moisturized that my face felt after I put the mask on. You're supposed to put it on for 15 minutes, and it just felt wonderful. This is the face of makeup that I was able to achieve after using the mask, so I'm very happy with this mask. Definitely recommend it to anyone here. This is my first time using a gel sheet mask, so I was totally satisfied. I will definitely purchase this product again. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I'm going to put a link to the Farmacy Hydrating Coconut Gel Sheet Mask in the description box. And if you're not already an Ipsy subscriber, I'm going to put the link to the Ipsy subscription in the description box as well. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a monthly makeup subscription in which you could receive 5 sample size products, or you can upgrade to Ipsy another Glam bag in which you receive 5 full-size products every month, and you can cancel anytime. So I think it would be a good idea for any mask products you have, not only to do a mask of your face, but also do a mask of your hands. I have a couple of other mask products that I want to try. I'm actually going to create a playlist on mask reviews. I have to catch up on some that I have, but this one is excellent, you guys. So I highly recommend this mask, especially if you have dry skin. Alright, you guys, and that was my review of the Farmacy Hydrating Coconut Gel Sheet Mask. If you like this video, definitely click like, also click share, and I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the catalog of my skincare routine. If you haven't seen that playlist yet, I'll go ahead and link it up here as well. So that was my review, and guess what, guys? If you don't do anything else today, stay beautiful and love one another. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. If you haven't done already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Mwah.